Good day, folks. So we're going to talk about getting ready for an update and making sure that you guys have everything set up so that your favorites will save, your tracked information will save, any other login information. Okay, so if you go to Dano's Wizard underneath services, that's where you should see it. It might not be exactly there, but it should be somewhere underneath services. We'll check if you're current. So most people are on Kodi 17, so you should be using, it will say on your Custom Wizard 6.07, it's going to tell you the build version. So this one is going to say February 16th version 4.0. We're working on 5 as we speak. If you go down and click on builds, it's going to show you the Kodi version that you're using right at the top. So hopefully everybody's on 17.3. If you see 17.1, back out and go down to APK installer and load the first one you see, 17.3 security fix, okay? So if you're all up to date, what we're going to do is we're going to come into the wizard and we're going to come navigate down to where you see save data. Now, for all you that want to save your favorites and save your trakt or real debrid information, navigate down about 6 or 7 clicks underneath the thing that says click to toggle settings. If you use trakt, click this to make sure it's green. It will say on and be green. Then look for anything else you want to save, like your favorites. You don't really need to save anything else unless you use real debrid. Profiles, sources, that's already in the build. So trakt, real debrid, login information if you guys use private add-ons that have login info. Other than that, once that's done, you're good to go. Next time there's a build update, your trakt information and your favorites will be imported with the update. Other than that, folks, you will get a pop-up on your screen when it's time for the update to take place. I'm going to stop this just in case I get copyright. Here we go. So just in case there's an update, be ready. Have your settings ready for it. If you guys want to save your favorites, everybody might have their own favorites list here. Mine's just generic. That's what my build comes out with. So if you don't care about favorites and you don't migrate yours, this is what you'll get. If you want to save yours, you'll end up with yours overwriting this. Other than that, this is what we're working on. We got a couple new add-ons. Elysium is Zen. Zen is still working. They just changed their name to Elysium. Specto's been updated. Salts has been updated. Ice Films, 123 TV, all these options underneath movie and TV shows. Again, if something doesn't work for you like it used to, you know, Exodus, Zen, and Elysium are the most popular. But if they don't work, try other things. And if that's not the case, don't forget, guys, this may look different than the screen you're using, but there's backup apps like Showbox, Cartoon HD, Terrarium TV. Those will get you movie and TV shows outside of Kodi if Kodi gives you grief. There's also Movies HD. There's also UK TV Now, Film On Live TV. So these are other options you have outside of Kodi. I hope that's been informative for you guys. Lots of changes happen in the community. We're working on a style change for the build as well. The background, the layout, we're going to remove some of the branding. Maybe try and clean it up a little bit. So hopefully you guys will like where we're going. There will, like I said, an update in the next week or two just for the links and repos and add-ons. And then we're working on a big one for the end of summer. Thanks, folks. Cheers and have a great one.